Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting precise credentials because accuracy matters. Open your router settings or the connected device to read the SSID and the password exactly as they appear. One wrong character breaks the code. Make sure you have a camera phone or computer ready to generate and store a QR file. Once done, choose whether this QR is for permanent access or a temporary guest key. Decide now so you use the correct password and encryption type when creating the QR. You now build the QR. Open a reputable QR generator or your phone's Wi-Fi share feature, then input the data precisely: network SSID, password, and encryption type. The standardized string looks like Wi-Fi T, WPA, S, your SSID, P, your password, so copy carefully. After generating, preview the code and test scan with your camera app before saving a PNG or printing. Make sure to label the file or printout so you know which network it matches and whether it's permanent or temporary. Finish by testing and distributing the QR. Scan it with a phone camera to confirm automatic connection. This verifies the string is correct. Save a high-resolution PNG or print a copy for guests, but share only through trusted channels to avoid exposing your network. If something goes wrong, recheck SSID spelling, the exact password, and the encryption type. Mismatched encryption is the most common cause of failure. Regenerate the QR after correcting those values and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.